Have you ever wondered about the science behind that handy kitchen gadget, the meat thermometer? Today, we're diving into how a meat thermometer works to ensure your meals are cooked perfectly and safely. A meat thermometer is an essential tool for any cook, but let's start with the basics of what it is and why it's so crucial. A meat thermometer measures the internal temperature of cooked meat. This is vital because cooking to the correct internal temperature kills harmful bacteria, ensuring your food is safe to eat and delicious. There are primarily two types: the classic dial, or bimetallic thermometer, and the modern digital version. Each works slightly differently, using different scientific principles to measure temperature. All meat thermometers rely on the physics of temperature and heat transfer. Let's explore the science behind these measurements. When you insert the thermometer, heat energy from the hot meat transfers to the device's sensor. The meat's molecules move faster as it heats up, and this energy is what the thermometer detects. Dial thermometers use a bimetallic strip, two different metals bonded together. These metals expand and contract at different rates with temperature changes, causing a coil to turn and move the indicator needle. Digital thermometers use electronic sensors, such as a thermistor or thermocouple. These components change their electrical resistance or generate a voltage change based on temperature, which the device then converts into a digital reading. Knowing how they work is one thing, but using a meat thermometer correctly is crucial for accuracy and food safety. For the most accurate reading, insert the probe into the thickest part of the meat, avoiding bone, fat, or gristle. These areas can give misleading temperature readings. Always take the temperature before removing the meat from the heat. Some meats, like whole poultry, need a few minutes for the temperature to stabilize, but the initial check should be done while still cooking. So, what does this all mean for your next meal? By understanding how a meat thermometer works, you ensure not only food safety by reaching minimum internal temperatures, but also optimal quality and flavor by preventing overcooking. Next time you cook, remember the science and always check that internal temperature. Happy cooking!